Motorcycle manufacturing, project management. Type of project organization. This mid-sized motorcycle manufacturer is planning a major change in its production unit, and this will require a proper selection of an appropriate type of project organization. The best type of project organization that would be suitable for this company when taking this important step towards new productions will be the project-based team approach. Currently, the firm is making attractive profits from the sale of middleweight class motorcycle cruisers. It is its main source of income. This means that when the firm starts producing the larger classes of motorcycles, the management will be keen not to interrupt the current revenues generated from the current productions. The decision to choose the project-based approach will help this firm meet its intended goal without interrupting the current production. The new product will be considered a new project with its budget and a team of employees. It will operate independently. This means that if it fails, it will not affect the current operations of the firm. On the other hand, if it is successful, then management can decide on the best approach that can be used to integrate it into the existing system. Process steps that the company would take to develop the motorcycle. The process that will be taken to develop a new type of motorcycle should be clearly defined. The first step would be idea generation. The team of experts at the firm will generate ideas of how best the company can produce this product. The engineers and other employees working in the production department should be encouraged to share their ideas in order to have a large pool of options. The second stage would be screening the ideas. At this stage, a board made up of experts will review the ideas and identify the best in terms of feasibility and practicality. It is important to note that the experts may decide to borrow some parts of the ideas and integrate them into other ideas to have a better outcome. Once the best idea has been selected, the next stage would be to test it. If the test is successful, the idea shall be put into practice in order to produce the motorcycles. Strategy to balance short and long-term needs. The senior executives at this company will need to have an appropriate strategy to balance the short-term and long-term goals of this firm. According to Nagarajan, it is always important to ensure that the short-term goals do not conflict with the long-term goals when developing a project. In this case, the short-term goal is to come up with a new product that will attract the targeted market within the shortest time possible. On the other hand, the firm's long-term goal is to develop a product that will sustain international competition and remain attractive in the long run. To achieve this balance, the firm should start by defining its target market. It is clear that this firm targets people aged 35 to 60 years. The target market should have an income ranging from $55,000 to $100,000. These are the people in employment who may be interested in using this product during their holidays. After defining the target market, the management should then determine how to meet their needs in the best way possible. This will allow the management to set short-term goals in a way that will not affect the firm's long-term goals. The main factor that the management should focus on will be to ensure that the short-term goals do not compromise the quality of the products offered in the market. This will help the management to balance these two types of goals.